at the kitchen. Jody is cooking. She is cooking up a storm. And me like how she a gwan. Me say you want to taste it. You have to taste it. And when you taste it, you can't erase it. Hey! Jody cooking, delicious cooking. Hey! Jody cooking, straight from the kitchen. Subscribe for more of these delicious recipe. Hit the thumbs up and share across all your social media platforms.
Hi guys, it's Jody. Welcome back to my channel. Today I've got a refreshing punch for you all. I'm gonna make cranberry punch and I'm gonna add some Jamaican white rum to it. Yes, so guys, this is my cranberry juice. I believe I might use 2 boxes or 2.5 boxes. I'm not sure, but I'll let you guys know. And I also have some pineapple juice, okay? Some cranberry right here. Now I'm gonna add my cranberry. And this is just 1 liter, guys. And the other one. I believe I'm only gonna add half of this. So that's like 2.5 box, okay? So now I'm gonna add my pineapple juice and I'm gonna add at least half box. Just like so. I'm gonna add at least 3 tablespoons of my Jamaican white rum, and guys, it is totally optional. You don't have to add it, okay? Yeah, that's it. And I'm also gonna add at least 1 cup of my ginger beer. Gonna mix it all in. It look amazing. I'm gonna squeeze a lime. And I'm gonna add some orange slices. And some lemon slices, lime slices. And my cranberries, of course. This looks so pretty, guys. So pretty. Gonna mix it all in, make sure that everything is all combined. This look amazing, guys. Super amazing. I know you all are gonna enjoy it, and as I said, the rum is optional. You don't have to add it, okay? And I didn't add a lot. I just added just a bit, just for a bit of flavor.
You say you want to taste it. You have to taste it. And when you taste it, you can't erase it. Hey! Jody cooking, delicious cooking.
Just gonna add just some ice.
Subscribe for more of these delicious recipes. Hit the thumbs up and share across all your social media platforms for more of these amazing delicious recipes from Jody Cooking.
I'm just gonna add just a few mint leaf on top just for presentation. It is totally optional. This look amazing, guys. I'm telling you. I hope you guys do try it over the holidays. guys, here I have some cups that I'm putting ice. Some fresh mint. And now I'm gonna add my cranberry punch. This looks so good. I cannot wait for you guys to try this recipe. So refreshing. So there you have it, guys. This is how I make my cranberry punch. I hope you guys do give it a try. It looks super refreshing, and as I said, the rum is totally optional. You don't have to add it, because I didn't add a lot. I just add just a 3 tablespoons just for, you know, bit of flavor, and that's it. Don't forget to share this video, subscribe to my channel, and give me a thumbs up. I thank you all so much for watching. Until next time, bye.
Coming at the kitchen, Jody is cooking. She is cooking up a storm, and me like how she a gwan. Me say you want to taste it, you have to taste it, and when you taste it, you can't erase it. Hey, Jody cooking, delicious cooking. Hey, Jody cooking, straight from the kitchen. Subscribe for more of these delicious recipes. Hit the thumbs up and share across all your social media platforms for more of these amazing delicious recipes from Jody Cooking. Cooking, delicious cooking. Jody Cooking, straight from the kitchen. Jody Cooking, delicious cooking. Jody Cooking, straight from the kitchen.